Okay, dears, are you ready to revise the sound? The sound qu. Let's start. Qu. Q and U makes the sound qu, as in queen and quiet. Remember to make the action to make a duck's beak with your hands and say qu, 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 qu. Excellent. Qu as in words liquid, squirrel, quack quack. Qu as in queen, quack, quick, quilt. Let's read the words. Queen, qu, yin, queen. Quick, quick, ik, quick. Quiz, qu, i, z, quiz. Squid, s, qui, i, d, squid. Quack, 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 qu, a, k. Liquid, liquid, l, i, qu, i, d, liquid. Excellent. Read and match. Quiet, shh, queen, quilt, quack. Quiet, queen, quilt, quack. Listen and color. Each picture begins with the sound qu. We have queen, quilt, kitten, quack. Queen starts with a qu. Quilt starts with qu. Quack starts with qu. But kitten starts with a k. Excellent. Let's practice reading. This is a queen. Qu, queen. The queen is quiet. She has blue eyes. I want to be a queen. Now write the missing word, then read the sentence. What picture is this? Excellent, it's a quilt. Let's read the sentence. The quilt is on the bed. Thank you for listening, dear boys and girls. Don't forget, qu, 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 qu.